Now that I've downloaded my recording files from Zoom, I want to upload them into OneDrive. I've logged into Office 365, and then I'm going to click on this blue cloud icon on the left. This will take me into my main OneDrive area. I'm going to create a folder specifically for the Zoom recordings. I'm going to click on this blue plus new button, select folder, and name it Zoom Recordings. I'll click create, and then it makes that folder for me. I just click on the name of that new folder, and I'm inside of it. If I wanted to make subfolders, I can click on this plus new button and go through that same set of steps. I'm just going to upload those files right here into this main Zoom folder. So I'm going to click on Upload, select Files, and then my Windows Explorer area will pop up and it's placed me where I need to be right in my Downloads folder. These four files are the ones that I would like. So I'm going to click on the first file, bring my mouse down to the last file that I want, hold down the Shift key, and then click my left mouse button again. That highlights all four at once. I'm going to click the Open button, and now I can see that 4 items are uploading here into this folder. It'll take a couple seconds, and now those 4 Zoom files have been uploaded into my OneDrive.